I'm Deanna Wallace.
And I'm Dan Lasella. And now that you're a part of the SOAR program here at YSU, you're probably wondering, why do I need to take general education requirements?
Well, we've talked to several students and faculty members as to why these classes are so important.
So let's now take a look.
I don't think a university just teaches a student how to do a job. They teach a student how to be a citizen of the world. And without gen ed, all you get is training in a very narrow field. All your understanding of other areas is very limited.
I teach courses in the anthropology curriculum. Our general education courses include a course called The Rise and Fall of Civilizations and Introduction to Anthropology. And these are both really useful because they look cross-culturally, both at different cultures in the modern world but also in the past. And students come to understand that the way we view the world is not the only way people look at the world. So anthropology can help us bridge these differences to understand, just like we're thinking they're very strange, they're thinking the same thing about us.
If there's a mission today and a mission for 20 years from today, it would be to inspire students to continue with that being a lifelong student, not just being a student and learning while they're in college, but to want to be a student and learn for the rest of their days.
I'm a telecommunications major. General education classes really helped me because I took the art of motion pictures and the history of motion pictures, and the art of motion pictures went into the art of directing and the art of cinematography and also the art of editing and also many other areas, and I could take what I learned in that class and apply it towards my major.
Some of them are really useful, like writing courses help with research work that you do in some of your classes. As a music education major, I have to take music history and write research papers, and having those writing courses taught me how to do that research and help me write the papers. It makes it a lot easier.
General education classes for me were at first kind of hard to swallow. I was like, really, I have to take all these classes that I don't really think I'll need? But it came in handy. I ended up taking a theater class whenever I first got here, and it was probably one of the better classes I've taken. I realized that I really want to do theater as well. So, staying with music, but I also want to help out with theater. So I ended up taking this theater class, getting a little bit more involved with it, and I ended up, loving.
So now that you heard from fellow students and faculty members about these courses, we hope that you now see the benefits in taking these courses and how it can help you in your education.
And hopefully you have a better appreciation for these courses when you take them. We'd like to thank you for being a part of the SOAR program.
And for choosing YSU as your next destination for education.